Hey guys, I'm Justin Speer, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of my new traveler's notebook from Apple Pig Leather Art in Taiwan, and the add-on wallet pocket I ordered as well. So I ordered this traveler's notebook from the Etsy store for Apple Pig Leather Art, and the owner's name is Ting, and I believe he makes all of the notebooks himself personally. So I'm excited to get into this. Very cool. Well, this is obviously very well wrapped, so I appreciate that. So I knew that Ting always throws in an extra sample of leather, which is really neat. I don't know if it's supposed to be used as a coaster or just kept as an extra, but this is a really nice touch. And I love the Apple Pig logo here. This particular leather is called the Naughty Fox leather, and it has quite a bit of texture and character and coloring. It's just beautiful. And I got some extra bands as well, so those will come in handy. And here's a personalized note. Dear Justin Speer, this year was full of challenges. Thanks for all your patience and support. Feeling so grateful to deliver some joy and beautiful goods in the Christmas season. My friend, I'd like to hear from you. Take pictures with your new favorite. Let me know how you're doing. All right, that's really cool. And I love the extra strap around the top. That's cool. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love this leather. This is amazing. Here's the Apple Pig logo. Oh, this is perfect. That's just the right amount of character. And this has the wallet pocket add-on. So that's what these flaps are here on the side. So there's a zippered pouch in here. Oh, that's great. And these are YKK zippers. I also ordered the pen loop as well. I love this. And this is the B6 size traveler's notebook, which is probably my favorite size because it's small enough where you can throw it in a backpack easily, but it's still big enough where it's easy to write on. And I love all these extra pockets here in this one. Feels pretty heavy duty. It's a good width of leather, and it smells great too. I can't believe this. It already has so much character. I can't wait to see how it patinas over time, and this particular leather is supposed to get a bit darker with use. Right off the bat, I can tell the quality of this leather is amazing. The stitching looks absolutely perfect, and it's just going to get more beautiful over time. Oh, it feels great. It's nice and soft and supple. The attention to detail is just off the charts. I love it. And Ting threw in an extra insert as well with the graph paper. So that's great. I will definitely use that. And I'll have to admit, as much as I'm enjoying this purchase and looking forward to using this traveler's notebook, I'm already thinking about placing another order with Apple Pig leather art for the Wallet Notebook 3 in the Honey Beagle leather. So I love the service from Apple Pig Leather. This is my first one, but it's been a great experience so far. And I look forward to doing another video once I have this all set up and have been using it for a little bit. Thanks for watching.